Imagine a place where lush green forests meet the azure sea, where exotic wildlife thrives, and adventure awaits at every corner. Welcome to Costa Rica. Nestled between the Pacific Ocean and the Caribbean Sea, this Central American paradise is a treasure trove of natural wonders. With its tropical climate, Costa Rica is a year-round destination, boasting a diverse landscape that ranges from misty cloud forests and majestic volcanoes to tranquil beaches and bustling cityscapes. It's not just about the stunning vistas though. The country's rich cultural heritage, marked by a blend of indigenous traditions and Spanish influences, adds another layer to its allure. The warm and welcoming ticos, as the locals are fondly known, are always ready to share their love for Pura Vida, the pure life, a phrase that encapsulates the Costa Rican ethos of living life to the fullest. So, buckle up as we take you on a virtual tour through the most scenic places in Costa Rica. First up, we have the enchanting Monteverde cloud forest. This is not just any forest, but a magical realm where every step you take immerses you deeper into an emerald world, an escape from the mundane. A place where the air is alive with the music of numerous bird species and the subtle rustle of leaves. This is the Monteverde cloud forest, a jewel in the heart of Costa Rica. The forest boasts a unique ecosystem that is a hotbed of biodiversity. Here, life thrives in every nook and cranny. From the smallest fern to the tallest tree, from the tiniest insect to the elusive jaguar, everything here is a testament to the rich tapestry of life that the forest nurtures. A walk through the forest is like stepping into a living, breathing encyclopedia of flora and fauna. Over 3,000 species of plants, including hundreds of orchids, paint the landscape in shades of green. The forest is also home to over 400 species of birds, including the resplendent quetzal, a bird so beautiful that it was considered divine by the ancient Mayans and Aztecs. But it's not just about the flora and fauna. The Monteverde cloud forest is also an adventure lover's paradise. Canopy tours offer you an opportunity to experience the forest from a bird's-eye view, zipping through the treetops, while the iconic hanging bridges offer a unique perspective on this vibrant ecosystem. As you walk along these bridges, suspended high above the forest floor, you'll find yourself surrounded by a sea of green, enveloped in a cloud of mist. It's an ethereal experience, akin to walking among the clouds. It's a moment when you realize that you are a part of something much larger, something transcendent. So whether you're a naturalist, an adventurer, or simply a lover of beauty, the Monteverde cloud forest has something to offer. It's a place where you can find serenity in the whispers of the wind and the rustling of the leaves, where you can witness the circle of life unfolding in its raw, untamed beauty. Monteverde cloud forest, a place where you can literally walk among the clouds. Next, we journey to the serene and beautiful Manuel National Park. Nestled on Costa Rica's Pacific coast, this gem is a feast for the senses, and a haven for those seeking tranquility amidst nature's grandeur. Imagine stepping onto a pristine beach, where the warm, golden sand massages your feet and the rhythmic lullaby of the waves soothes your soul. Manuel Antonio's stunning beaches are not just a sight to behold, but a sanctuary where you can unwind and let the world fade away. But the allure of Manuel Antonio extends beyond its beaches. The park is crisscrossed with hiking trails that take you through diverse terrains, each offering a unique spectacle. Whether you're meandering through lush rainforests or ascending steep ridges, every step unravels a new layer of the park's charm. Now picture this. You're on a trail. The air is rich with the scent of damp earth and vibrant foliage, and the sounds of the forest resonate in your ears. Suddenly, a rustle in the trees catches your attention. You look up to see a troop of squirrel monkeys playfully leaping from branch to branch. It's moments like these that make Manuel Antonio a wildlife lover's dream. Indeed, the park is a treasure trove of biodiversity. From the elusive jaguars to the vibrant scarlet macaws, Manuel Antonio is home to a plethora of species. Every visit offers the thrilling possibility of spotting these rare and fascinating creatures in their natural habitat. The tranquility of Manuel Antonio is not just about its physical beauty. It's about the harmony that exists here, where every creature, plant, and element has a role to play in the grand scheme of things. It's about immersing yourself in this symphony of life and emerging with a deeper appreciation of our planet's incredible diversity. Manuel Antonio National Park, a true paradise for nature lovers. Whether you're an avid adventurer or a relaxed wanderer, this place has something to offer every kind of traveler. So come, Lose yourself in the tranquil beauty of Manuel Antonio and let nature's magic rejuvenate your spirit. Now, let's explore the majestic Arenal volcano. In the heart of Costa Rica, the awe-inspiring Arenal volcano proudly stands, a beacon of nature's raw power and beauty. This colossal natural wonder, one of the most active volcanoes in the world, soars over 5,000 feet into the sky. Its symmetrical cone, often crowned with wisps of smoke and steam, is a sight to behold, a breathtaking spectacle that draws visitors from around the globe. In the shadow of the volcano, an array of hot springs awaits. These naturally heated pools, courtesy of Arenal's geothermal activity, offer a soothing respite after a day of exploration. Imagine yourself sinking into the warm embrace of the springs, the steam rising around you as the volcano looms in the distance, a sentinel against the sky. But the majesty of Arenal isn't confined to the volcano and its hot springs. The area surrounding Arenal is a playground of adventure. Hiking trails snake through the lush rainforest, leading intrepid explorers to stunning vistas of the volcano and the expansive Lake Arenal. Along the way, you might just spot some of Costa Rica's diverse wildlife, from the vibrant plumage of a resplendent quetzal to the playful antics of capuchin monkeys. For those seeking a thrill, whitewater rafting on the nearby rivers offers an adrenaline-fueled experience. Picture yourself navigating the exhilarating rapids, the roar of the water in your ears, as the volcano presides over the landscape. It's an adventure that combines the thrill of the chase with the majesty of nature. Whether you're a thrill seeker, a nature lover, or simply someone seeking tranquility, Arenal Volcano offers an experience like no other. It's a place where you can witness the power of nature, indulge in the soothing warmth of geothermal springs, and embark on adventures that will leave you with lasting memories. Arenal Volcano, a testament to Costa Rica's fiery side. Our final stop is the vibrant Tortuguero National Park. This untouched paradise, nestled on the northern Caribbean coast of Costa Rica, offers something truly unique. Imagine a place where roads are replaced by a labyrinth of waterways, where boats and canoes are the primary modes of transport. Welcome to Tortuguero, a world where water and land intertwine in a captivating dance. The park is often referred to as the Amazon of Costa Rica, and for good reason. Its lush rainforests, swamps, and lagoons, crisscrossed by countless rivers and canals, are a haven for biodiversity. From howler monkeys swinging through the canopy, to caimans lurking beneath the water surface, to the dazzling array of bird species adorning the skies, life here is abundant and thrilling. But what truly sets Tortuguero apart is its role as a key nesting site for sea turtles. Every year from July to October, in a spectacle as ancient as time itself, 4 species of sea turtles haul themselves onto the park's beaches to lay their eggs. Experiencing this ritual under the moonlight is nothing short of magical. The sight of a massive leatherback or green turtle, laboriously digging a nest and laying her eggs before returning to the sea, is a testament to the enduring power of nature. Yet, the park's charm doesn't end with its wildlife. The local village of Tortuguero, with its Afro-Caribbean influence, offers a vibrant cultural experience. The warm-hearted locals, the tantalizing cuisine, the rhythmic music, and the brightly colored buildings, all contribute to the park's unique character. In Tortuguero National Park, every path leads to a new discovery. Every moment brings a fresh surprise. The air is filled with the symphony of the wild, the water mirrors the sky, and the forest pulses with life. It's a place where nature has been allowed to grow and flourish undisturbed, where life, in all its myriad forms, thrives. Tortuguero National Park, where life thrives in every corner. Costa Rica, a land of stunning landscapes and unforgettable experiences. This journey has taken us through the enchanting Monteverde cloud forest, where every breath is a whisper of pure primordial nature. We've soaked up the tranquility of Manuel Antonio National Park, a haven where lush tropics meet crystalline waters. We've witnessed the majestic Arenal volcano, a testament to Mother Nature's awe-inspiring power. And we've immersed ourselves in the vibrant life of Tortuguero National Park, a sanctuary for countless species and a testament to the beauty of biodiversity. Each destination offers a unique slice of life, from serene afternoons spent lounging on the beach to adrenaline-pumping adventures that push the limits of discovery. Costa Rica is not just a place, but a kaleidoscope of experiences waiting to be explored. So, where do you want us to take you next? Share your dream destination in the comments below. And remember, if you enjoyed this virtual tour, please like and subscribe. It helps us bring more of the world to you.